All right, so this is the experiment RC smoothing of an MCU output, just using a resistor and a capacitor. I've got it all hooked up here. Um, Microcontroller doing its blinking thing. I never understood. Okay, now we have the capacitor up to 25 volts, 4,700 microfarads, a up to 20 volt picoscope. So 10. This is only outputting about maximum 3.3, and I don't even have it on the 3.3 mark. I have it on the oscillating portion, but I could do both. I mean, that wouldn't change much of anything. It would change the graph on here. That's in the previous run, and this is a 3,000 resistor, 3,000 ohm resistor, which I had done the growth and decay calculations, which it caps out, the 3.3 as it's showing right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's showing about up to 3.3 perfectly. And then when it gets into the capacitor, since the capacitor doesn't go all the way up to 3.3, it's getting about 3 point, looks like 0.5 or 3.1 volts. So it definitely works. Let's just see the live demo of it. I'll go ahead and hit play. So that's what that looks like while it's running. Okay, that looks pretty good. So that's with the capacitor. So I'm going to take the capacitor out right now. Well, I think we'll do, yeah, we'll just go ahead and take that out. Yeah, so the capacitor is constantly charging, discharging, charging, discharging, which is good. We want that. I'm gonna set this down here for a second. Grab the black lead and connect that, and then the positive lead and grab that. Okay, so this is what it did look like. You can see that right there. Okay, now we're gonna grab that. On which side? There it is. Yeah, see, so it's a square wave, just coming on, off, on, off, on, off. I'm gonna try something here for a second, out of my mad scientist curiosity. If I just put that in the 3 volts, what does it do? Just holds high, okay, and 5 volts shoots way high. Okay, just to show what that looks like right there. So yeah, 3 volts high and 5 volts high right there. So yeah, that's how that works. So I will put all the calculations that I did, which is really just, one, what does it look like after 5 seconds? Because it's only 3.3 volts. It's going to fill, it's going to output it very quickly in. And it was only about like 5, maybe 10 seconds. 30 seconds, it's like right there, 3.3. It doesn't, that's if it's holding. If it's steady 3.3, it'll just stay there and keep going. But obviously, because it's oscillating or alternating, it's going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, as it flips back and forth, because that is the code we put on there. And I want to leave that code on there because it's fun, it's Christmassy, and yeah, that's that experiment right there and done. So, all right.